Hey, Miss Hayes.
Whoa! Ha! Look! Shapes! Do you know your shapes? I see a circle. That's a square. And a triangle. Do you know how to draw shapes? I can teach you. A circle. A circle goes round and round. There it is, a circle. But wait, a circle can be so much more. Let's try this. Color your circle red. And let's add a green stem. Now what can this circle be? You're right, it can be an apple. Apples are fruits that come in many colors like yellow, red, and green. Which one's your favorite? Oh, that one's delicious. Hey, do you know what shape this is? Yeah, it's a triangle. Let's try to draw a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Diagonal up, diagonal down, and over. We have a triangle. What can we turn this triangle into? I know. Let's color it yellow. And hey, we just learned how to make a circle. Let's add some circles on top of this triangle. Let's color them in red. Now what can this triangle be? Yeah, this triangle can be a pizza. A pizza is a delicious kind of food that has bread and sauce and cheese and toppings. What's your favorite topping? Mine is pepperoni. Let's draw with one last shape. What shape is this? Yeah, you're right. This is a square. This shape has 4 sides. Slide over, slide down, back over, and up. A square. We just learned to make a triangle. Let's add a triangle on top. And what about adding a square on this side? And another square on this other side. Should we make a door? It's a rectangle with a little circle on the knob. A door. Now what can this square be? Yeah, this square can be a house. A house is where families live together, laugh, and play. It's a safe place to explore and feel loved. Houses can come in many sizes, shapes, and colors. What does your house look like? I sure had fun drawing shapes with you. The shapes can become so many different things. I wonder what ideas you might have. Hey, I like that. I think I'll try that too. Have fun drawing. I'm gonna keep drawing too.
Please like and subscribe.